The latest weather disturbance that hit the country left at least 2 fatalities. They did not drown or were landslide victims, but were hit by lightning in their sleep. I am Macalmo with the details.
2 miners are confirmed dead in the wake of Tropical Depression Isang. The National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council said the fatalities were hit by lightning while sleeping in their house in Barangay Farola, Tagudin in Ilocos Sur. The incident happened about 9 evening last July 17. The victims were identified as Rhea Masillones, 8 years old, and Raymond Masillones, 11 years old. 2 other persons identified as Evelyn Cabarsi, 31 years old, and Alejo Cabarsi, 23 years old. Only sustained minor injuries and were treated at the Tagudin Medical Center.
Nagkaroon ng kidlat, nangyari ito nung July 17 ng gabi. Meron tayong 4 na casualties, tinakbo agad sila sa ospital, pero sa kasamaang palad, nasawi yung dalawang bata actually, at nagtamo naman ng sugat yung dalawa.
In Pangasinan, the Philippine Coast Guard and the Philippine Navy are conducting search operations for 30 fishermen reported missing in the wake of the weather disturbance. According to Director Melchito Castro of the Office of the Civil Defense 1, they still need to verify the reported missing.
Dahil unconfirmed naman. Sinabi lang na hindi nakakabalik, hindi naman sinabing nawawala. Usually, maglalagyan sila may complete provision for say 1 week hanggang 1 buwan yung iba. So, wala pang dapat ika-alarm dahil maaaring hindi pa sila nakakakuha ng sapat na isda na pwede nang umuwi. So, maaaring nandun pa sila.
Major Balido says the alert status in the Office of the Civil Defense has been lifted with Tropical Depression Isang already out of the country. For the People's Television, Waywaya Macalmo.